Welcome back, everybody, to Attic House Train 769 here. Well, we got a new review for you guys today. We're going to do a Lionel review here on a What If Lionel paint scheme with a Western Maryland CSX AC 6000. This model was released in 2011 in the Lionel Legacy catalog. This thing is equipped with Legacy rail sounds and Odyssey 2-speed control. Now, if you notice, we're in a new room today. I had to take a little bit of time off. I've been working on expanding the layout, and now we're back with the new review here. I got a couple more reviews coming out later this week. We'll be at the York TCA show at the end of April, so look for us up there. But let's get started and take a closer look at this train. On the front, we got lighted up number boards. 2652 is the number on this train. Get this thing to focus here. We got a GE Electric builder's plate. This is just a nice, very detailed Lionel engine. So if I get this camera to focus in here. Beautiful looking engine. I'm not a big diesel fan, but this is a beautiful looking engine. If any of you guys are wondering, here's all the product information on the box. Product numbers 6-38407. The CSX Western Maryland AC 6000 diesel locomotive. Well, let's get this thing fired up and see what she sounds like. Bear with me just a minute here. As you can tell, very, very, very nice startup. Let's see what the whistle said, or the horn. I know I want to say whistle. I'm used to running steam engines out here on this layout. Got a very nice bell on it as well. Let's see what that sounds like. Move on to the crew dialogue.
I'm made up. Am I cleared outbound? Over. No, please stand by. Over. Understood. Sitting here looking for a green light. Out. Dispatcher, still in a rib. Can I get to the main line? Over. Negative. Hold your position. Over. Copy, dispatcher. We're waiting. Out.
Well, it's got some nice crew dialogue on it. We go here. Take a look around the engine. We got a operating headlight. Notice here we got little lights here that illuminate the trucks. Very nice. Now, as for the back of the engine, got a reverse light, and it's got a shadow there, got a dual smoke unit here. Very, very, very nice engine here. Now let's move on and get some, let's get this baby up here and running. Now let me move you guys to a place where you guys will be in a good spot to see it go. little bit of it run, how it sounds. We got to go over a little bit of features. Now let's get down through and let's look at the shutdown sequence here.
Going off duty. Have a good one. Out.
It's got a nice little shutdown to it. I appreciate you guys coming out here to check out my video today. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turning the little bell on for notifications to hear more and to see more. If you guys have any suggestions on what you'd like to see, always loving to hear you guys' feedback. Love to hear you guys suggest some items, and maybe in the future I can get around doing those items or get those items to do for you guys so we can do this and we can enjoy it together as a train community. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we'll be at the York Train Show for the TCA meet. We'll be there all week. So if you want to come see us, we'll be walking around. We won't have a stand up there, but we'll be walking around. So if you see us, don't be afraid to stop and say hi. Love to talk to you guys. We appreciate you stopping out here checking out the video. Have a good day.